In this video, you will see the container manufacturing process. The process begins with the selection of basic materials, primarily steel, due to its strength and durability. The specific type of steel used is often weathering steel, commonly referred to as Corten steel. Once the materials are selected and procured, the steel sheets are cut and shaped. Large steel coils are unrolled and cut into the specific sizes required for the container's walls, roof, and floor panels. These sheets are then treated to prevent corrosion. The next step involves forming the panels by bending the steel sheets into the desired shapes using large, industrial presses. This shaping process is critical, as it gives the panels their structural integrity and ensures they can withstand heavy loads and harsh environmental conditions. After the panels are shaped, they are assembled into the container's framework. The floor frame, which typically includes cross members and bottom side rails, is assembled first. After that, the container walls are formed using a roll bender. A roll bender is a specialized machine equipped with long cylindrical rollers. As the steel plate passes through these rollers, it is gradually bent and shaped into the desired curvature and form needed for the container walls. This shaping process is crucial, as it ensures that the walls have the necessary structural integrity to withstand heavy loads and harsh environmental conditions. The next stage is the assembly of the floor structure. Steel sections are cut to precise measurements and assembled using advanced welding techniques. They are then placed evenly along the floor, providing essential support and helping to distribute the load evenly across the container. This robust steel framework is designed to withstand heavy loads and resist deformation, ensuring the longevity and reliability of the container. After the wall panels are corrugated, the steel wall panels are then welded together to form the container walls. Once the walls are assembled, they are attached to the container frame, which includes the floor and roof structures. The assembled container walls are then inspected for quality and undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet industry standards for durability and weather resistance. The container manufacturing industry has seen significant development, particularly in China, which dominates the global market. China's advancements in this sector are driven by its vast manufacturing capabilities, cost-effective production, and strategic investments in technology and infrastructure. The painting process is a critical step to ensure durability and aesthetic appeal. The containers are first cleaned and pre-treated to remove any dirt, rust, or grease. This step is essential for the paint to adhere properly. The containers are then moved into a specialized painting room equipped with advanced ventilation and filtration systems to maintain a clean environment and prevent contamination. In this room, the containers undergo a multi-stage painting process. Initially, a primer coat is applied to enhance adhesion and provide a base for the top coat. After the primer dries, the containers are sprayed with a high-performance top coat using automated spray guns for an even and consistent finish. Once the container's main structure is assembled, it moves to the flooring stage. The floors are usually made from marine-grade plywood, chosen for its durability and resistance to moisture. The plywood is cut to size and securely bolted to the steel floor frame. Some containers also use steel floors for added strength and longevity, especially those designed for carrying heavy or specialized cargo. After being painted, the containers are left to dry and then cured. Following this, additional accessories, such as stickers or identification plates, are attached. Once completed, the containers are ready to be shipped to customers.